Hey guys, what's going on today? Last episode you saw, we took Ryan's sled apart a little bit, wasn't starting. We found that the intake boots were a little bit ripped. So we still haven't received those yet after he ordered them. Still working on that, but we are continuing working on. What's going on here today, Ryan?
So currently pulling the A-arms off of it, gonna get them sandblasted and painted up and make them look nice.
Both sides?
Both sides. Replace front shocks, ball joints, tie rods. Just
replace the shocks or rebuild the shocks?
Probably replace them.
Replace them?
Yeah, I want some piggybacks and I want some white coils.
Okay,
so,
nice.
Something different.
Any brand in mind?
I was looking at Elka's, but the price of them is
a little steep.
A little steep, so probably Fox. Probably go Fox.
Fox cheaper than Elka?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Piggyback version?
Yeah, Elka's were $2,000.
Oh wow.
Shocks.
So it looks like you got some of this unbolted already. We're just getting a stand over here so that we can set the sled up so it rolls nicely and all the weight's off the suspension. I do believe we already have the front left side here all unbolted everywhere.
Yeah, not
so it should just pop out, minus this tie rod end that needs to come off. And yeah, come along for the ride. Got the perfect little stand getting delivered here. Let's see what we got. What's that?
A little stand.
That's gonna do the job. When did you put
Now that is one hell of an entry.
Hopefully I don't fucking
Does the whole thing balance on this thing?
Yeah.
Yep.
What was that?
Lift.
Everything's unbolted.
Oh yeah, right there.
Okay,
that's probably good, Mitch.
Well, if you push it back far enough, the whole sled will balance on.
Okay,
it needs to go back a little bit more. Do you need help?
It's hitting the track.
It's hitting the track. Okay, just set it down.
Oh, on Alora's, the whole sled will balance.
My track's longer though. I wish I could just bring my toolbox home with me every day.
Oh, I gotta show you something.
Mechanic problems.
Right? Like working with regular tools is such a pain.
Mitchell!
Dude, come on! One bolt. Oh, this is that one.
Yeah, this is a good drill, eh? D-wall.
This isn't a bad one.
Man, why don't you just turn it and prop it? Oh, there it goes.
I know, it started to move. Well, where's my ratchet? Can you hand me that ratchet with a 5/8 socket on it?
Oh yeah, do that. Hold up. Nope. Hey, that's what my summit came like.
What?
What
like
you just
that
did
bad?
Yeah.
Somebody's definitely been in here before. No, he doesn't. He wouldn't have taken this apart. I mean, maybe. I don't really know how long I owned it.
There she goes. Hey, those A-arms aren't gonna fall out. You forgot the suspension bolt.
Yeah, I forgot this. But I'm already set to get out. Is there a plug there?
Take this one out first.
Why?
Because it's easier.
Oh. Easy schmeezy.
I like to work hard. That's not the right size.
Everything's bigger than that.
It's a 16. You need a 16.
Ryan, I think you should take this all off.
Dude, what's that?
Look at it.
Oh, peel it off now. It's a 50.
It just crumbles.
Oh, we got 69% on the battery. He shit himself again.
If you did, I would make you leave. that is just pure. Once is funny, twice is just being rude.
Oh, Ryan, you stole my cock and you got white cock right here.
When did I steal your cock?
When I brought cock.
When you brought it, yeah. This guy. I stole it because he brought it here. Oh, the A-arm, or the sway bar.
No, just pull the bolts out and just drop it down that way.
Yeah, I guess I could.
It'll just slide out of the sway
Is this
bar.
bolt still in? Oh yeah, she's way in.
Alright, just give her a little wiggle.
Yeah, this bolt very hard to get to.
Okay, the bent one's gonna not be any easier to get out.
I think you need to do a sway bar delete.
I'm thinking about it, to be honest. I deleted it on my MXZ and it was way better.
Yeah.
Why are you thinking sway bar delete?
So you can
It's more independent.
carve.
More independent suspension, less tippy. I find it's less rigid, so when you're turning and leaning, both skis don't go like this.
Doesn't the sway bar make it less tippy?
It's supposed to. It's supposed to keep both skis planted with even pressure, but
It's a talent problem.
it's a talent. Oh, there goes my washer.
The front fucking wheels of that thing aren't even on the ground.
I know. It's quality, Jack.
Oh, there's a
Hey,
piece of a belt.
we got a little bit of a tow problem here, I think. It's not, you're not skiing, you're snowmobiling.
Yeah, I'm trying to stop. Alright, now let's get this last bolt out of here.
This is the bent one.
This is the bent one. Right.
Do you have a pickle fork here? Easy.
Why? I'm replacing that.
Oh. God, I've never seen anybody do it like that.
I need a pickle fork.
Give me
I don't smash the aluminum though.
Can you put a floor jack right there? Okay, hold up. Mitch, put a foot there.
Ta-da.
Bang, bang.
Weird, that's how I get ball joints off at work, but I didn't even think about doing it.
Ryan, you gotta get rid of this fucking thing.
Yeah, there's lots I gotta do, Mitch.
Wow, we've been telling you that all summer.
Well, I fucking need money to do it,
Mitch,
dude.
can you put a hand on this control arm and just turn it? Like rotate it a bit?
This one, which way?
Either way, I don't know which way.
Ooh, hi, shit. How'd that feel?
That fucking hurt.
Are you alright?
Yeah, that fucking hurt.
You'll
Jesus
survive.
Christ.
I'm sorry. I don't know
It's
why.
not your fault.
Why does the socket not go on there though?
Holy fuck.
You know, I'm gonna say that it's definitely not a 5/8.
It is a 5/8. Every other bolt is a 5/8. This is because the bolt was fucking.
Man, it's a Bombardier built in Canada. It's probably metric.
Well, 5/8 fits fucking perfect.
Oh, okay, my bad.
I think she would too, actually. Okay, where's that spring go? That spring goes down there, so this is gonna be easier to get off at the top. So.
Thing needs a fucking serious clean.
Oh yeah, she's dirty.
That looks like a job for vice grips.
Vice grips or Mac side cutters. Mac side cutters. Get the job done right. I don't even know. Is that all that holds this thing on? No, it goes up.
Is it bolted?
Oh, I gotta take the expansion chamber off.
It'd actually be helpful.
Oh yeah, hold up. Leave it like that.
It'd be helpful to have a smaller screwdriver.
Hey!
Kerplunk.
4 hours.
Get 2 more in there.
Look at it.
No, twist the other way. Twist the other way. Oh, baby. There she goes.
Something nicer than living there.
This expansion chamber probably hasn't been off in 15 years.
Oh, come on. You don't give it enough credit. Look at that. Look at all that room in there. We can expect for broken parts.
Don't poke too hard.
There's a washer there.
There's a snail.
Look at all this. Look at all this foam.
We
Look
found
how,
a snail.
wow. Look how soft this foam is.
Pull her out.
Oh my goodness.
Probably because the nice.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We're currently waiting on a couple parts for Ryan's Rev here. A couple of those bolts came out off camera, but the A-arms are off. They're getting sandblasted. They will be painted. We will be reinstalling those in a future video. We do have some more sleds coming if you guys want to get subscribed to see them. We do have an Arctic Cat coming up. I'm not sure exactly what yet. We're still working on purchasing it. We have a 23 Sidewinder, a 23 Backcountry coming. If you guys want to see those when we get them, stay tuned. They are coming. We probably will be wrapping and modding both of these sleds. We have more videos coming up on Ryan's Rev here. And we do have a heater install and a couple other mods to continue on and do to the Legend Snowmobile trailer. So if you guys are liking what you're seeing, please get subscribed, drop a like. We have much more content coming before the sled season. Thanks.